Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna be working on the Lexus. So basically we're just gonna be doing a little maintenance on this car. Apparently my front headlight, especially this one, went out, but the other side is good, but we're still gonna get both of them to replace both just in case, because we don't know if that's gonna be running out compared to this side. This side's completely out. So this side's on, this side isn't. So we're gonna get access by removing these panels and then get into behind the headlight just to replace the bulb. So how we're going to be doing this is by getting access to that box right there. That's where the headlight should be sitting. In order to get access to this side compared to that side, this side looks a little bit more complicated, whereas this one is just an air box, so you're just gonna have to remove. Oh, so it is true. So I guess it's notorious to must be missing a bolt on this side compared to this side. So other than that, we're gonna go ahead and just unclip these, that, unclip that right there, and then remove the speed sense, not the speed sensor, the air sensor right here. This is gonna be difficult right there. Oh, it's not gonna move. Let's see, make sure it's not clamped on anything. Okay, and then we're gonna get a 10mm socket all around, and then remove this whole entire side. Well, I finally got it out. Oh man, I suggest that you guys get pliers for these. They're really difficult to move with your hand. So it was sitting like this, so we're gonna have to rotate counterclockwise, so you scoot up like that, and then you could just pull it out, and then you could just go ahead and disconnect it, and that's pretty much the headlight for this one. And then I'm probably gonna get to this one to see how this one works. So apparently this side was a lot easier to remove. So there's a bracket that holds in the windshield wiper tube and the cap, and you could basically just take it off and unbolt it from the frame, and then you should be set. Go ahead and remove the cap, and then remember, counterclockwise, it was sitting like this, rotate like this, and just pull out, and then you should be set. And then we're gonna go ahead and get new ones. I think state on here. Oh, I got two different ones. I realized that. This one's China, and then this one's Germany. Oh, time to get new ones. All right, so I finally stopped by AutoZone. Surprisingly, AutoZone has it. So this was about roughly $52 in total plus tax and everything like that. There was a cheaper alternative that was like around like $35, but I went ahead and got the $50 one because this one offers more. Because it was the cheap one was the basic one, so I went ahead and get this one. I couldn't find the ultra one. I think they were all sold out. So either way, this is better, second best, I guess. So let's go ahead and install these right into the car. So what I find funny about the Lexus in general, what I find really funny about it is that why is it so much more cheaper to work on this car than the TL? It's cheaper to insure because I'm only paying about like $450 every 6 months. That's a two-way insurance as well. $450, where to ask the TL every 6 months I have to pay out around like roughly $700 every 6 months, and that's a two-way. And funny thing is, these headlights are a lot cheaper than the TLs, because the TL cost me $200 or $100 a pair per piece. And for a pair of these, we're only roughly $50. Like, I just don't get it. So before we installed the the headlights, What you want to do is make sure you guys wear, you know, rubber gloves, and make sure you guys don't touch the bulb itself, or else it's gonna like scratch or even gonna burst. It's gonna damage it. And just grab it by, you know, the neck of it, and then go ahead. What you're gonna do first is just test fit it to see if it actually connects or not. If it doesn't, go ahead and just put this back and just return it, or exchange it for a different one. So if it does connect, you can go ahead and just put it right back in, like, you know, the usual way. Okay, so now that it's finally plugged back in, I'm going to turn it on to see how it sits right now. Let's see. Go ahead, rotate like this to there. Close the door gently. Don't close it all the way. Let's see. Yep, it's now working. Okay, now to put it on this side. This side is a lot quicker. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a complex process because you have to take out a lot of things, but we got it done. So I hope this video helped you guys out. This is a IS250 2006. So if anything, feel free to hit me up in the description. I'll probably put the link of the headlights bulbs in the link in the description below if I can find it. Anyways, but other than that, hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.